Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you want to get one of these for yourself. Hey, what's going on? Rich, back with another awesome video for you. So today, picked up the new iPhones. Got the new iPhone 12, got the new iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 in red, got the Pro in blue. Say what you want about Apple. They make some really awesome products, and every year I end up getting the new iPhone. I keep saying I'm filming this right now on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So let's see what these guys look like. And I need to give a fair warning. As soon as I took the plastic off, these things almost fell right out of my hand. The box, as you can see, is super slim, and they open really fast. So just be super careful. This thing just comes right out. I figured this is gonna be like, oh yeah, this is the next iPhone, blah, 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 no big deal. This thing is sexy. I don't think I even wanna open this one. Look at the color on this. I got the blue, man. I really wanted to get the space gray. This blue, I don't even need to open up the 12. I don't like the glass. I mean, I gotta be honest with you. I like the aluminum. The red aluminum is like insane. I don't like the glass on the back. 12 Pro all the way. I'm not even gonna turn this thing on. We're just gonna end the video right now. Get the 12 Pro. Game over. Take this off. The dimensions are exactly the same on the 12 and the 12 Pro. This has the 3 cameras, this has the 2. SIM tray slots. The bottom. So this is iOS 14. Let me tell you, this is probably the perfect phone right now. I'm gonna be getting the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I come from using the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and let me tell you, the 12, just the way it is pretty amazing. It fits in your hand perfectly. And the mini is gonna be pretty cool too if you have smaller hands or you like smaller phones. The size of this phone, the thinness, I mean, this thing just feels perfect. This is probably the best iPhone they've ever made. And I've had it where I bought the newer iPhone and then I liked the one the year before. Like when the 7s came out, I've had the headphone jack and everything, and I kind of really hated losing that. I hate using the lightning adapter to the headphones because I like listening, you know, I'm an audio guy and I like listening to music. The 11 to the 12, I would say this is the biggest jump up Apple's ever had. This is probably the nicest iPhone they've ever made. The whole thing is screened. There's like a sliver on the side, there's a sliver on top, sliver on the bottom. You get used to not having the home button and you just swipe up from the bottom. This is like the perfect phone. Even if you want like a bigger phone with a small size, the footprint in your hand, it doesn't feel that big of a phone, but the fact that the whole thing is screen and there's really no bezels except for this little, you know, bezel on the top. Other than that, you could actually take these widgets and put them on the home screen. That's kind of cool. Here it is, man. There's the blue one. There's the blue one. This is anodized aluminum. This is actually stainless steel. So there's 2 different metals at play here. 94 megabits a second down, 49 ping. I'm barely getting any upload speed, 1.82. But usually I get better. I'm just gonna have to reset the phone. And this is on Verizon, so this isn't like Wi-Fi or anything. As you can see, it is 5G. I'm really not even in a good area for Verizon. This is kind of just like an okay area, but if I was in actual 5G zone, I've seen people get like 1.2 gigs per second. So, you know, once we get into 5G territory, once we have the antennas and the towers, it's going to be crazy. Let's see if we could shut that off. I don't know if you could shut 5G off. Cellular data, cellular options, voice and data, 5G auto. Okay, so we could do 5G on, 5G auto, or LTE. I don't even know if we have 5G in this area, so it might not even be worth keeping on. It might be worth just leaving it off and just going with LTE. So if I switch this over to LTE, let's see if that makes any kind of difference. Oh yeah, right off the bat, 100, 104, because it's not looking for 5G, so. Data mode, allow more data on 5G, standard. But so far, so good. Everything looks just about the same, so if you're used to having an iPhone or Apple, you should really like this. If you want the decked out, maxed out one, go with the 12 Pro. If you just want an awesome, awesome phone, I mean, no compromises whatsoever, get the 12. They're both gonna be amazing. The only thing you're gonna need is basically get yourself a power brick. I would get the higher capacity Anker ones, or if you want to get the more powerful, the higher wattage one that comes with the iPad Pro, get that one instead of this. It'll give it, you know, faster charging, higher wattage. Let's see what else. That's it. It doesn't come with anything. It doesn't even come with the adapter for the lightning for the headphones, which sucks. I mean, for all this money, I mean, all you're getting is literally just a cable. You know, I would at least have thrown in the adapter to be able to plug headphones into the lightning port, but you know, that's Apple for you. If you need the best, go with the Pro. You're not gonna be dissatisfied with the 12, trust me. So there you go. There's my take on everything. I'm gonna come back with some more awesome videos soon. Make sure to stay tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. Take care.